Have you ever pondered the future of robots? Imagine a world where intelligent machines are an integral part of our lives, significantly enhancing how we work, live, and play. We're about to embark on an exciting exploration into the evolution and future of AI and robotics. This journey will take us from the early innovations that shaped this field to the groundbreaking future possibilities where the realms of science fiction and reality merge. The dawn of robotics and AI. The story of AI and robotics is a tale of human ingenuity and technological ambition. It began in the 20th century with the introduction of the first programmable robots, revolutionizing industries. Over the decades, these machines evolved from simple mechanical arms to complex systems powered by artificial intelligence. The turning point was the digital revolution, as advancements in computing power and data processing paved the way for smarter, more autonomous robots. This journey through the history of robotics and AI sets the stage for understanding where we are today and where we are headed in the future. AI and robotics in today's world. Manufacturing and industrial robotics. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are revolutionizing production lines. They perform tasks with high precision and efficiency, from assembling intricate components to handling heavy materials, significantly boosting productivity and safety in industrial environments. Healthcare robotics. In healthcare, robotic technology, enhanced by AI, is making notable strides. From robotic assistants and surgeries to automated systems for patient care, these advancements are improving precision in medical procedures and enhancing patient care, paving the way for more innovative healthcare solutions. Domestic robots and smart homes. The rise of domestic robots, such as robotic vacuum cleaners and smart home appliances, exemplifies AI's integration into daily life. These devices automate routine tasks, offering convenience and improved quality of life, and are becoming increasingly popular in homes worldwide. Autonomous vehicles. The development of self-driving cars is a testament to the advanced capabilities of AI in robotics. Utilizing complex algorithms and sensors, these vehicles are pioneering a future of autonomous transportation, reshaping how we think about travel and road safety. Technological breakthroughs shaping the future. Advancements in AI algorithms. The future of robotics is being shaped by groundbreaking advancements in AI algorithms. These include developments in machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, enabling robots to learn, adapt, and interact in more sophisticated and human-like ways. Robotics in space exploration. Robotic technology is playing a crucial role in space exploration. Advanced rovers and probes equipped with AI are exploring distant planets and moons, conducting research that would be impossible or too dangerous for humans, and sending back invaluable data about the cosmos. Nanorobotics and micro-machines. The emerging field of nanorobotics is set to revolutionize medicine and material science. These microscopic robots, powered by AI, can perform tasks at a cellular level, from targeted drug delivery to repairing damaged tissues, opening new frontiers in medical treatments and diagnostics. Humanoid robots and social interaction. Humanoid robots, which mimic human appearance and behavior, are advancing rapidly. These robots, integrated with sophisticated AI, are being designed for social interaction, assisting in education, customer service, and even companionship, showcasing a future where robots may seamlessly integrate into social settings. AI and the future of work, transforming the job market. AI and robotics are set to transform the job market significantly. Automation and AI technologies will create new job categories while making some existing roles obsolete. This shift requires a focus on reskilling and upskilling, ensuring the workforce is prepared for the jobs of the future. AI in creative and analytical fields. AI's impact isn't limited to manual tasks. It's also making inroads in creative and analytical fields. AI algorithms can assist in design, content creation, and data analysis, enhancing human creativity and decision-making capabilities, and opening up new avenues for innovation in these sectors. Remote work and AI collaboration. The rise of remote work has been accelerated by AI and robotics. AI tools facilitate remote collaboration, manage workflows, and enhance productivity. This evolution is leading to a more flexible work environment, where human-AI collaboration becomes integral to many job functions and industries. Ethical considerations and workforce dynamics. As AI reshapes the workforce, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues such as fairness, bias in AI decision-making, and the digital divide need addressing. Ensuring equitable access to opportunities created by AI and robotics is crucial. Ethical and societal implications, privacy and surveillance. The integration of AI in robotics raises significant privacy concerns. As robots become more embedded in our lives, the potential for increased surveillance and data collection grows. Addressing these privacy issues is crucial to ensure that the benefits of robotic technology do not come at the cost of individual privacy rights. Decision-making and autonomy. AI-driven robots are increasingly involved in decision-making processes. This raises questions about autonomy and the extent to which we should allow machines to make decisions. Ensuring that ethical guidelines and human oversight are integral parts of AI decision-making is essential to maintain control and accountability. Impact on social interaction and lifestyle. As AI robots become more prevalent, they will significantly impact social interactions and lifestyle. The challenge is to ensure that these changes enhance human experiences without detracting from the richness of human relationships. Balancing technological convenience with maintaining authentic human connections is key. Global disparities in AI robotics adoption. There is a growing divide in the adoption and benefits of AI and robotics across different regions. Addressing this disparity is vital to prevent widening the global digital divide. Ensuring equitable access to AI technology and its benefits is essential for fostering global development and cooperation. Potential risks and mitigation strategies. Risk of dependency on robotics. As we increasingly rely on AI and robotics, there's a risk of becoming overly dependent on these technologies. To mitigate this, it's important to maintain a balance, ensuring that critical skills and knowledge are preserved and that there is a continued focus on human-led innovation. Security vulnerabilities. AI-powered robots, like any technology, are susceptible to security breaches and hacking. Strengthening cybersecurity measures and developing robust protocols for AI and robotic systems is crucial to protect against malicious attacks and ensure the safety and integrity of these technologies. Unintended consequences in AI decision-making. AI systems can produce unintended consequences due to biases in data or algorithms. To address this, continuous monitoring and updating of AI systems are required. Involving diverse teams in AI development can help identify and mitigate biases, ensuring more equitable and reliable decision-making. Safeguarding against job displacement. The automation of jobs by AI and robotics presents a significant challenge. To mitigate job displacement, proactive strategies such as reskilling programs, educational reforms, and policy interventions are essential. These measures can help transition the workforce into new roles created by the advancement of AI and robotics. Enhancing everyday life. In future societies, AI robotics will play a central role in enhancing everyday life. From smart home systems to personal assistants, robots will provide convenience, efficiency, and support in daily tasks, improving the quality of life and allowing individuals to focus on more meaningful activities. Let's continue this conversation, exploring and shaping a future where AI and robotics unlock new horizons of human potential and creativity.